My head is like I am a tanga. It's very big. I'm going to sleep here today. I'm going to sleep here. Hey guys, so my podcast, Just Say It by Favour Ojika, is now available on all your podcasting platforms. Please check the description box below for more information. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Favour Ojika. Today I'm going to be showing you how I braid my hair under this week. So since the quarantine started, I couldn't really go to the store to actually braid my hair, so I decided to do it by myself, especially since I started staying at home. This particular video is going to be beginner friendly, so hopefully it teaches you one or two ways to like hold your hair. And disclaimer, it's not going to be perfect, it's not going to be as smooth, but guess what, you're doing it yourself. You might not remove your wig in public, but the braids can last you for at least a week. Anyways, without further ado, I'll just let you guys go right into this video, but please do not forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, so whenever I post, you will be the very first to know. Guys, prior to this video, I already washed my hair the day before, but then I wanted to record this video, so I had to wait. So now I'm just going to divide my hair into two sections, but first I want you guys to know that I do have dandruff, and dandruff is not a disease, it's a scalp condition. You should Google it. Anyway, moving forward, once I divide my hair, I use a rubber band to pack it into two different sides, or at least pack the one side first, then go in with the bottled water that has conditioner and water in it, a mix, sprayed around that side, and I continuously brush it out, just making sure that that is saturated on that side of my hair. And I just do this for like a couple of minutes to make sure it's gotten all there. And I use my growth therapy cream to make sure that my hair is more moisturized. And then I just go in to divide this hair so I could start making it. First of all, I divide a small section, pat it, and then start braiding. So I'm taking my time to show you guys how I pat the hair here, just because you want to take your time. Like I said at the beginning of this video, it doesn't have to be perfect, but again, bear in mind that you're the one making your hair, so you cannot really see everything. So just take your time and pat it accordingly. Okay guys, this part is a little bit tricky, but basically I'm taking my hair into three different sections because those are the sections that I'm going to be braiding with. I take the first part with my finger, and then I try to gather hair as I go. So it's kind of hard to explain, but I intentionally zoomed this so you guys could see it firsthand. So guys, this is the finished product. Like I said, it's technically what you could do to put your hair under a wig. When I come back, I'm going to be showing you guys how it fits nice. The last thing I wanted to talk about was this particular hair. The hair I'm rocking is by Ola's Hair Sorcery, and I'm actually going to be leaving her details in the description box below. Please do well to show her some love, reach out to her, and she has amazing wigs that I'm very sure that you guys would love. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Go ahead and say hey you, or go ahead and leave a thumbs up so that I know that you actually watched the video to the end. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.